Hey everyone, this is Megan here with ICE Magazine. I'm so excited to be here with my first friend of the day for this broadcast here at CM Parts Plus with my friend Walt. Walt, we're going to talk a little bit about your company today so we can have all of our exhibitors and our viewers online who can't be here with us today just to know a little bit more about your company and why they should come over here and visit your booth. So let's start first. What best describes your company?
So we are a bench level repair company, or depot level for the technical people. And what we don't do is we don't sell parts, we fix parts. So you send us your bad part, we fix it and we send it back to you. That's primarily what we do.
Got it.
MRI, CT, and some other diagnostic imaging modalities. Primarily MRI.
Perfect. So tell us a little bit about who that typical customer would be that would come to see you all.
So our typical customer are parts vendors, and the parts vendors, when they sell a part, they sell it on exchange in a lot of cases. When they receive the exchange part back, if they don't have the capability to repair it themselves, then they seek a company like ours to do the repair for them. So we're fixing that core return, right?
Right.
And then we're sending it back to them. They put it back on the shelf and wait for the next time when they can send it out. They can sell it again. So we're extending the life of not only that part, but even the system that it goes into.
Right, so you're trying to help them save a little bit more company and try to get a little bit more usage out of that part in the long run.
Oh yeah, and it's substantial savings. Now, with the cost of everything going up, and shipping costs have gone up some,
right.
But our prices have pretty much stayed level. Because the customer pays for the shipping to us and then pays for the return shipping, we can keep our prices where they've been for the past 2 years.
That's amazing, because in these times I feel like everybody's just hoping that something stays a little bit the same here, so if you guys can do that for them, that's an amazing asset for you all.
Certainly.
Yeah. So tell us a little bit too about your certified quality management program.
Yeah, so we're ISO 9001 2015. We were recertified shortly after we started. We started in 2020, right around the time of the pandemic, June, and we started as CM Parts Plus. So the former company was Carolina Medical Parts. Right. Been around a long time.
Yes.
And so we took over operations, bought their assets, hired their employees, and just changed the name. So you're helping us get our name out there and reintroduce
to our
the
ICE
company.
Audience, who you guys are.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. So we're certified. We're coming up in September, and we're going to get our annual audit, and we just keep it going. And we're looking at 13485. There's not a lot of difference between 9001 and 13485. But we would just have to take that step in our program to make us 13485.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad that you told us a lot about your programs that you all have going on and what you're doing there to expand, but I want to hear a little bit more about what you're trying to do to have the experience and qualifications show through your staff.
Okay. So our staff, like I said a few minutes ago, stayed on from Carolina Medical Parts.
Right.
We have actually 2 bench technicians that stayed on, and then the operations manager, who is also one of the owners, Mike, he stayed on too. And Mike developed the majority of the processes and procedures that the bench technicians follow to make the repairs. And it's highly documented, and it all falls into the quality program, right? Yeah. So we're really specialized. The bench technicians, we have 3 bench technicians. 2 of them are Navy trained in electronics, and they've been with the company as Carolina Medical Parts and now us for over 10 years. Mike is approaching 15 years.
Wow.
With
a lot of experience there.
Yeah, a lot of experience there. Mike is a double E electrical engineer, electronics engineer, one or the other.
Got it.
Anyway, double E. He's got a bachelor's degree in electronics, and like I said, the other 2 guys are Navy trained, which is a real. If anybody knows that the Navy training on electronics is very specialized, very detailed,
I
right?
heard it's very specific.
Yeah.
And yeah.
It is, and if you think about, the reason for that, the ships are out at sea. They can't just pick up the phone and say, "Ship me this." The guys have to be experienced enough to fix it while they're deployed. So, and then our third technician, he has a 2-year degree in electronics. He's done a lot of different types of repairs. He came to us from a circuit board company, circuit board repair company. So he has a lot of experience there. I don't really get into the shop that much.
Yeah.
I have experience, but it's not important.
You're just bragging on everybody else at the company
they're,
right
they're
now.
the important guys. They're the ones that do the work. They're the ones that are in there and they're fixing the things so.
Well, we'd love to see that. Well, I know we talked a lot about everything today. I want to hear where everybody can find you. What's your website, where if they want to find more information?
Sure. So it's cmpartsplus.com altogether, and you can email us, or actually on the website you can request a quote.
Perfect.
And it comes right to us. Our main email is solutions@cmpartsplus.com. So either one of those, it's much easier there than trying to call us or whatever.
Right.
So, and we're located in North Carolina. I don't know if I said that at the beginning.
No, I don't think we
Winston-Salem,
did.
North Carolina. So but come by and see us here at AHRA,
Yes.
and we'd be glad to talk to you more.
Well, Walt, this was a pleasure to meet you today and to see your company and see you guys here at AHRA. We're so excited to be with you all. So everybody, please go check out CM Parts Plus here at their booth, at booth number 1125. I'm Megan again with ICE Magazine. We'll be coming through the whole show the next couple of days, coming with some great live broadcasts with some of our clients. And we hope to see you all again here soon.